Alright, got the F-15 Eagle on deck. This is the second flight for it today. Coming out, full throttle, back pressure, and she's up and away. Backing off the throttle slightly. We've got elevator and high rate, and ailerons on mid. With some expo dialed into the both of them. And when you crank the rates up on this little jewel, she can definitely do some good rolling for you. Not quite axial on mid rates, but good enough. This is another Hobby Star 2200 battery. About mid throttle pass. Been thinking about taking my gears off of this and just hand tossing it. But I fly so here's a high-speed pass. I fly so much in the mornings that it gets a lot of dew build-up out here on the grass, like heavy dew. We're talking like the field is soaked every morning. So that's the problem with these hand launch EDFs. They have the cheater holes on the bottom. So when you're coming in for a landing, you're going to get all kinds of moisture up in there. Even with it on gears, it'll have a propensity to suck up moisture into the intake and into the cheater hole. That's why another reason why I like that Rebel is there's no cheater holes on it. So you don't got to worry about that quite as bad, just intake and ingestion. A little cool this morning, about 40 degrees. And for Texas standards, that's, believe me, that's coat weather. It's a pretty day other than the temperature. There's our timer. We just have a small breeze. It's about 3 miles an hour is all. One more pass in front of us here. Then we'll set up for a landing. It's a slow pass. Alright, let's come around here for the landing now. Approach. Get lined up on the runway. Sink it in, little throttle, hold off. Yeah, one of the bad things on this, no rudder. So on your approach to the runway, you really got to line up a little further back. Because I don't like making corrections with ailerons when you're down low. Better off to get your approach right. Being right, go around. This is another one with the close in gears that it rocks over real easy. If you turn too sharp. Alright, motor off. F-15 Eagle from eFlite. Good little jet. Thanks for watching.